Hey Miles, are we racing the airplane? We got to get there before it lands, right? Oh, green light, here we go. All right, so 7:29 on my clock. The plane looks like it's about 5 minutes out, so my spotter fell asleep. We're almost there. As usual, we're cutting it pretty close. Just hard to get out that door sometimes. So, green light. Once again, just racing the Dreamlifter here. It's about 2 minutes out. No, it's about 30 seconds out. So that was the Dreamlifter. Once again, raced it out here to Paine Field, made it just in the nick of time, literally within a minute of it landing. So a lot of fun. Thanks for watching tonight. And by the way, if you're buying, selling, just curious about real estate in Everett, that's what I do. So give me a call, text, or an email. We'll see you next time.
Starts at Dog Lake. You're inside of a 740.
It's pretty awesome.
They're about 10 miles southeast.
Anybody can come out here right now to this parking lot. We just had a guy out here on his bicycle, and he was out here for a little while watching planes. So we're at the end of 109th Street. It's right at the Flying Heritage and Combat Armor Museum. This is their parking lot. So thanks for letting us use it. Flying Heritage. Really one of the best spots in Everett. So you got to come out and check it out. And if you're thinking about moving to Everett, give me a call, text, or an email, because I'm a real estate agent here in Everett. And that's what this channel is all about. It's fun stuff, cool places to live, and good times with kids and family. So thanks for watching. Got a couple more planes coming in. We'll see you soon. Okay, Dreamlifter number 2 is about to land.